and unique blue flowering perennials for every growing zone. Blue Globe Thistle. Keep your eye on the prize. Blue Globe Thistle is a surprising sight to see. The foliage is silvery-green, spiny, and sharp. Its flowers are spherical clusters that are steel blue in color. Blue Ice Amsonia. The Blue Ice Amsonia is everything you could want in a perennial. Showy spring flowers that last into summer. A sturdy growth habit that slowly spreads. Attractive foliage that turns a lovely golden yellow in the fall. And all of this will require very little care or effort. Blue Lace Bee Delphinium. Blue Lace Bee Delphinium creates a magnificent display of densely packed, tall flower spikes that add a vertical form to contrast more rounded plants. The electric blue flowers melt into deep lavender, towering above a mounded, sturdy plant. Bluebird Smooth Aster. Aster is a perennial that helps to bridge the change of season from summer to fall. Bluebird is a North American native plant that should be included in every cottage and meadow garden. Color Spires. Crystal Blue Salvia. Color Spire's Crystal Blue Salvia gets its name from the unique light blue flowers that resemble a mildly lavender sky. It's hard to find blue flowers, but this hybrid Salvia nemorosa, hits the mark. Eastern Blue Star. With its pale blue flowers that bloom in May, the Eastern Blue Star is sure to add impact at the beginning of summer. Producing erect green foliage, it is ideal for adding to the front of a border or for ground cover. Jack of Diamonds. Heartleaf Brunera macrophylla will be a stunning addition to your shade garden. Grown primarily for its foliage, this plant will also delight with dainty forget-me-not like flowers of baby blue in spring. Lithidora Tide Pool Sky Blue. Lithidora Tide Pool Sky Blue brings a splash of brilliant azure color to yards and containers. In spring, the showy, five-petaled sky blue flowers sit atop dense mounds of emerald green foliage. Native Blue Cardinal Flower. A wonderful choice for those gardeners looking for an outstanding blue flower for the perennial bed. In late summer, spikes of bright blue flowers grow 30 inches tall from a plant base with a width of 6 to 12 inches. Storm Cloud. Amsonia, don't let the name fool you. The Storm Cloud Amsonia is one to remember. In the spring, it produces dark stems with dusky green leaves with very unique, almost silver veins. Explore cool and unique blue, flowering perennials. For more plants and ideas, follow the link in the description.